Climate change is reshaping our world. With its far-reaching impacts on ecosystems and societies, climate change promises to redefine the way we live, work, and interact with the environment. While there are significant opportunities to address climate change, it also poses the potential for environmental disruptions, social displacement, and unintended consequences. Introducing Future Center Ventures Climate Innovation Workshop. In this immersive workshop, we aim to foster a shared understanding of the current state of climate change and unveil the immense potential for innovative solutions that can positively influence your business and society at large. Participants will harness the power of storytelling to envision and prepare for possible climate futures, considering how climate change might affect your operations, products, services, and brand image. The climate crisis is here, and it's pushing us to act swiftly. Join Future Center Ventures, a leading agency in foresight and innovation, for this timely and impactful workshop. Explore how innovative approaches can harness the power of technology and collective action to address climate change and reshape your company's role in a world undergoing profound transformation.